How to use YouTube TV free trial in Korea. YouTube TV is officially available only within the United States. However, if you're in Korea and wish to access the YouTube TV free trial, you can do so by using a virtual private network, VPN, to simulate a US location. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step number 1, select a reliable VPN service. Choose a reputable VPN provider known for effectively unblocking streaming services like YouTube TV. Some recommended options include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Step number 2, install the VPN application. Download and install the VPN application on your device, whether it's a computer, smartphone, or smart TV. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Launch the VPN app and connect to a server located in the United States. This will assign you a US IP address, making it appear as though you're accessing the internet from within the US. Step number 4, sign up for YouTube TV. With the VPN active, visit the YouTube TV website. Click on Try It Free to start the sign-up process. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Enter a valid US zip code when prompted. Provide payment information. Note that a US-based payment method may be required. Step number 5, start streaming. Once you've completed the sign-up, you can access YouTube TV's content library, including live TV and on-demand programming.